Hey guys, welcome to CryptoPark channel, and today I am gonna talk about Koinpark Exchange Airdrop. So this is a relatively new exchange and this is providing free airdrop to every new users. If you join their exchange, you will get 100,000 SHIBA INU token completely free. For that you need to sign up on their portal and complete your KYC from the link I have provided in the description below. Remember that to get 100,000 SHIBA INU token completely free, you must use my referral code which I provided in the description below. If you don't use my referral code, you may not get the free 100,000 SHIBA INU token. That's not all guys, there are more rewards awaiting for you. So if you sign up and verify your KYC, you will get one mystery box. From that mystery box, you will get random KPK token. Also, if you verify your phone number, you will get another mystery box. You can open that mystery box. From that also you will get random KPK token. These tokens are already listed, so you can trade this token immediately. Also there are other tasks. You can complete those tasks for more mystery box. So there are more rewards awaiting for you. Till now I have earned around $1 worth of cryptocurrency. So there is another campaign is going on in this exchange. So you just need to visit the campaign page and just need to click the join now button, which I have already clicked. So it is showing me congratulations, I am already whitelisted for the airdrop. Guys, for this campaign another 12 days is left, but there is another way to earn more crypto. When you refer your friend will get 100,000 SHIBA INU token after completing sign up and verifying their KYC. And you will also get 25,000 SHIBA INU token completely free. And it's win-win for you both. The good thing about this airdrop is it is completely instant. So when you sign up and complete your KYC, you can claim your rewards instantly. Also after claiming the reward, you can sell them and you can also transfer them in any other wallet. I hope this airdrop related video is very helpful to you. Also subscribe to this channel to get more airdrop related videos. If you want to get more airdrops, then please join my Telegram channel, because there I post more airdrops than YouTube. That's it for today guys. See you soon. Bye bye.